last day before we are back in Florida, and we're sad. Aww. But we are spending our day, and right now we are on the balcony enjoying a nice beverage. Our second bottle is popped, and we are ready to have a good day. And we went down to the guys' barbecue, and it's free. So here is what I have. Here's what Sean has. Mac and cheese, pulled pork, brisket, sausage, collard greens, chicken, all kinds of goodies. So we're doing this, enjoying our time out here for a little bit. Then we have our diamond member celebration at 2:30, so we're gonna go do that with free drinks. And then there's some comedy this afternoon, and who knows? So we'll show you what we do.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, bye.
Bye.
At the Alchemy Bar, having an afternoon drink. What did I have? I had the peach Cosmos.